Got a bit more. Love a microwave. Oh, it's bloody weather. Let's go and get some more tat, Right, we've got another tumble dryer. Just got to go and get it from around the corner here. Better lock my motor up. We need some washing machines, is what we need. Right, I'm going to get this on. I'm going to get some more tat. Line prop. A bit of a rock there. There's some legs off a bath, I think. Yeah, they're going to be like all of them. Let's have a look at it. Jesus, that means so more days. We got a bit more. A little later. We cut the cable off it. Naughty. Oh! Let's go and get some more out. Bit more there. Tumble dryer. Add that on. Picking some tumble dryers up today, I can tell you. I think that's number 4. I better hurry up because I think that parcel guy is going to get it. Oh, well, that on, guys. I'm going to get some more tat. Right, we got a bit more tat here, guys. Trampoline, which I've got to undo. No problem. I'll get my pliers on it. I've just done one of them. Some chairs and some more poles. Let's get the tail lift going, and I'll fill you in when I've got it on. Right, just sorted that lot out.